Hi guys, this is Arshad Qureshi and I'm back with another video of Technique Expert. I've already posted like 5-6 videos previously in the playlist of AQ Snooker Tools on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook page as well. If you haven't seen them, go, you will learn step by step use of Technique Expert. So let me give you now a new video, and this video is all about how to use Technique Expert without a table. You can use it at home, you can use it on iron board, you can use it on dining table, you can use it on dressing table, because mostly the height is of 31 to 33 inches depending on the height of yours and of course the table you have available. All you have to do is to just place your Technique Expert on the table and keep it straight, and then what you can do is very simply you can just stand just like you are standing in the shot, and this is your white ball. Assume this is your white ball, and then just start going into the shot correctly and see if it's running smoothly or not. Okay, now you see, so start cueing on this predetermined line of aim, which I've mentioned many times, that now this is giving you a visual confirmation of your cueing going straight or not straight. So it's gonna give you the exact feedback. That's why it's a self-corrector. So let's say if you are cueing straight and you hit and it goes slightly off, that means you are moving after the shot or during the shot. So you can correct it always. So you can again go in the shot, do your cueing and hit your shot like this. Okay, so let's see if your cue is finishing properly or not. And then also you can also have a look at the follow through, that how many inches follow through you made after the shot. So that's why there is a table on this one, which is very helpful. So let me just show you again. Look, this is okay, and see if you are still straight or you're off, or if you're off, then of course you have to correct it. So you can always correct your stance and your weight balance to adjust according to the line of aim, which is the whole idea of snooker game. Snooker game is only played on correct stance, correct weight alignment and correct connection with line of aim. Keep this in mind. Everything else is an experience and of course practice. So but without these correction, these correction can only be done by a coach or through these tools. So this tool is your self coach. It's going to help you. Okay, now I'm very balanced, very well. So and that's it. And now after hit, see if your cue is offline, online. If it's online, that's fine. Now let's take the bar a bit higher. Keep your eyes, since we do not have table, but we need to make sure that our eyes are actually getting the exact line of aim, even if the ball is at the distance. So let me start with the white ball, and now I'm gonna, before hit, I'm gonna switch my eyes to the yellow ball, and then I will play my shot. Let me go again in the shot. That's it. So yellow, white, yellow, white. Now I'm about to hit yellow there, and my eyes were on the yellow and I can see my tip was going straight through the yellow. Now once I'm confident in that, I can move my eyes on green or brown. Let's say I'm moving my eyes a bit further on the brown ball. That's why I have mentioned these balls on the Technique Expert. So let me go on the shot again. White ball, white spot is my white ball, and now I'm looking at the brown ball. So brown, white, brown, white, brown, white. Now I'm about to hit. So white, brown, and there it is. The power shot, I can see my cue is finishing center of this line of aim and through the brown ball. So that means if I can practice this every single day, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, it will automatically enhance your skills. So now let's move to the pink. I'm skipping the blue ball because you get the idea. I'm going in the shot by looking at pink and white. Okay, again, pink, white, pink, white, pink, white. Okay, now I'm about to hit pink, and that's it. If I'm slightly off, that means I have to correct my balance. And again, pink, pink, white, pink, white, and ping. My eyes were on the ping and my cue was through this line of aim. So of course this is going to self teach you the exact delivery. Basically what it is doing is helping you develop your muscle memory. So even without table, this is developing your muscle memory. Usually what happens whenever we are playing shots and we get lazy, and this gadget is going to help you with a steady cueing and the muscle development of your cue arm. So this is very, very important that you keep doing it. You should, if you can do it like 10 minutes, 15, 20 minutes cueing on this, and then you will see more interesting development in your game. So if you are wherever you are living in the world, you can place an order for this one, Technique Expert, and it has of course has another version that is advanced version. So you can order both of them. You can order one and you will get both of them. So leave a good comments, leave any questions, any suggestions, and place an order through the WhatsApp, and then I'll get back to you, and we are delivering it all over the world. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share and subscribe my YouTube and Facebook and TikTok and Insta.